STEPN is a low-position digital money at present estimated at $0.275723 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $433,379,405 in a really significant manner. Over the past by and large couple of years, digital forms of money, including STEPN, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world, and especially are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, items, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, in an unobtrusive way. A few institutional financial backers even really consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unobtrusive way. Retail financial backers and merchants generally are truly keen on digital currencies extremely, for example, GMT, since this really is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources fundamentally have the genuinely potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately brief timeframe, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. These profits explicitly are in every way that really matters, out of reach in certainly different business sectors, which in a real sense is the justification for why most genuinely moderate financial backers by and large are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like STEPN. While the groundbreaking ones certainly commit a huge part of their genuinely money to this quickly creating resource class. At this by and large specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of STEPN to the level at $0.275723 where it right now sits, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As currently referenced, GMT by and large is a low-positioned cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 76th spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the very metric that most not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the especially current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking. On account of STEPN, the market capitalization in a real sense remains at $433,379,405. The significance of this boundary will for the most part be fundamentally made sense of later, so at this by and large specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of STEPN to the level at $0.275723, where it at present explicitly sits. Our cost expectation calculation in a real sense is planned in genuinely such a manner that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to truly furnish our endorsers with the most dependable data on the extremely present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily truly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and explicitly choose whether or not it basically has to truly be reconfigured. Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which by and large is somewhat essential for the really right assessment of both most certainly current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its by and large present and future course, which truly is genuinely huge. Beneath you will in every practical sense find key extracts of this authentic information, so you also could have a comprehension of where the STEPN market truly is going. Yesterday, on December 22, GMT was esteemed at $0.271228 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. For the most part, recall that digital currencies by and large are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which for the most part is genuinely huge. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period truly added up to 1.63% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on December 16, STEPN especially was exchanged at 0.2565. On November 23, which most certainly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged GMT at $0.277186, the cost level that is at the distance of 0.53% from where it as of now sort of stands in an unpretentious manner. The cost of GMT and the readings of CVIX sort of are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which really is very critical. Market capitalization fundamentally is one more significant kind of metric that certainly assists traders with explicitly deciding the notoriety of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which basically is very critical. It's additionally used to in every practical sense survey the offer that STEPN in a real sense holds inside the whole cryptographic money market. The recipe for the computation of market capitalization by and large is somewhat basic. The circling supply of the cash being referred to really is duplicated by its kind of current cost in an extremely significant manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of GMT fundamentally remains at $433,379,405, enough to name it the 76th biggest coin on the cryptographic money market, which essentially is very huge. Yesterday, on December 22, the market capitalization of STEPN in a real sense remained at $425,998,128 in an unobtrusive manner. 7 days prior, on December 16, the capitalization of GMT by and large was $402,211,609 versus the really thought. A month prior, on November 23, how much by and large capital streaming around this in every practical sense, specific market in every way that really matters, added up to $383,024,800 in a for the most part huge manner. Most digital currency financial backers fundamentally stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with and in every practical sense, certain cryptographic money, and its capacity to in a real sense, endure disturbances which are the normal event on this profoundly unstable market. The really absolute stockpile of GMT presently explicitly remains at 429,323 coins, which is genuinely critical. The flowing stock of the digital money under survey especially is 1,571,792,408 GMT, showing how as of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of GMT truly remains at $433,379,405. Enough to name it the 76th, practically the biggest coin on the digital currency market in an unobtrusive manner. This STEPN cost expectation wouldn't in every practical sense be certainly finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the measurement utilized by basically all digital money brokers to truly affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in an especially enormous manner. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain generally is happening on the rear of the in every practical sense low exchanging volume, there sort of is an extremely high likelihood that this move explicitly is unreasonable and would especially bring about a bullish snare, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Accordingly, it's critical to by and large examine the truly past and the ongoing exchanging volume of GMT requests to comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the STEPN market was enrolled at $46,477,630 win in a quite large manner. Yesterday, on December 22, GMT generally had an exchanging volume of $53,614,056, which generally shows that yesterday, in December 22, the market capitalization of STEPN by and large remained at $425,998,128. Which basically is very critical. 7 days prior, on December 16, the sort of normal everyday exchanging volume on that market added up to $53,630,262 in a very enormous manner.